Hello students, one more business letter question I will discuss. Now the topic is related with wedding or expenses for wedding reception. So it is very clear to you all, that is the main topic. Now let us come to the question. You write a letter to the manager Oberoi International, Lucknow, to find out the rates for conducting the wedding reception of your sister on their lawns, inquiring specially about the catering cost per head, service and decoration charges, and advance to be paid. You are Nandu or Nandini of Agra. Now catering cost, catering charges, and apart from that, you are about to use the lawns of Oberoi International, Lucknow also. So you want to know about the charges of those things also. And apart from that, you want to know about the decoration charges and the advance money to be paid. You want to know all about it. And you are Nandu or Nandini of Agra, and it is related with your sister's wedding. So how will you proceed when it is related with a business letter that dealt with wedding reception? 23rd Fort Road, Agra, 15th November, then a year is specified. It is not mentioned. The address is not been mentioned here. If you see, only Agra is mentioned. You have to create it. You have to create a landmark address also. Sometimes questions can be like this, or sometimes in the question the address along with the landmark address is given, but sometimes only the place is specified. You have to create a landmark address on your own. Then to whom you are writing? You are writing to the manager or manager in charge, Oberoi International, Lucknow. And now subject. The subject, what can be the possible subject? You want to inquire, right? You want to inquire about the catering cost per head. You want to inquire about the charge of conducting a wedding in Oberoi International. Whether it will be hour basis, the charges will be paid or not. That one also you have to mention. You will inquire about everything regarding the wedding reception if you want to conduct it in Oberoi International. So from business perspective, how will you start, right? Subject, inquiry regarding expenses for wedding reception. Dear sir, kindly let me know whether your lawns would be available on the evening of 7 December. Yes, the date of your sister's wedding, consider it or assume it is 7th December. Now you are asking the Oberoi International manager that whether 7th December is it possible for him to organize the wedding in Oberoi International, because this is very important, whether it has been booked previously or you can actually book it on 7th December. That is the main important thing. So that one you have to clearly specify at the very beginning. So let me continue. Kindly let me know whether your lawns would be available on the evening of 7th December to hold the wedding reception of my sister. In case space is available, if the allotted date, if it is free, if that date can be used, then let me know. In case space is available, please enlighten me regarding the following. Then I want to, if 7 December is possible, if it has not been booked, then if 7 December is space is available, then I want to know some more things from you. Catering cost per head, you can use number wise in this way. Different way you can do it. You can make columns that I already told you previously, or you can use it in number wise, like catering cost per head, followed by service charges, followed by decoration charges, and finally whether any advance to be paid beforehand. That one also you mention. So regarding wedding reception, the things that are very important: number one, catering cost per head, followed by service charges, followed by decoration charges, and finally number 4, advance amount to be paid. Please send me point-wise specific reply at the address given above. So obviously you have mentioned an address at the top. So you want the general manager to send you an address on related with the sent you a detail, sorry, it sent you details regarding all the catering costs, service charges, decoration charges, amount to be paid at the following address. And finally, again the same thing regarding the professional ethics, looking forward to an early reply. Finally, after that, yours sincerely, either you can write Nandu or Nandini. That is already mentioned in the question paper or in the question. Now, whether 7 December is free in Oberoi International, because that is the main thing. So you are asking whether 7 December it is free to conduct a wedding reception in their lawns. If it is free, if it is not been allotted to any other wedding party, then obviously because you have to be very specific. If it is free, then you want to know about these following things: catering cost, then service charges, then decoration charges, and finally amount to be paid. And you want the manager to specify you or to give you information or to enlighten you point wise: catering charges, service charges, decoration charges, and whether the advance to be paid and what is the advance money to be paid. Everything you want to know in advance. And finally, professional ethics, looking forward for an early reply. And finally, yours sincerely, then obviously the name will be given in the question that you mention. So that is it, dear students. Listen to this audio presentation also, and if there is any doubt, kindly let me know. Thank you, students. Thank you all.